icyo nashaka kuvuga uno munsi,
my message of today,
mbere yuko nza hano,
before coming front of you,
nabanje kubwira Pastor Augustin,
I first asked Pastor Augustine,
kuko nzi ko hano mfite kuno ikinyarwanda cyagiye kinanira ariko igifaransa cyagiye kikaza vuba,
because I know the challenge I do face always because of my Kinyarwanda, and the French language quickly comes in my mind.
Kandi narababwiye impamvu.
And I told you the history of mine.
Twebwe urabona twamaze igihe kirekire mu mahanga.
So we spent much time in the foreign countries.
Ugasanga aho twagiye dufite twafashe imico yabo.
And you can see we shared the same culture of those countries.
Cyane cyane icyo nashaka kuvuga nuko mfite ukuntu twize mu kwiga, ugasanga dutekereza mu Gifaransa tukavuga mu Kinyarwanda.
So especially the way we did our studies, it affected us to even think in French and try to have a conversation in Kinyarwanda. This makes me to be slow in order to speak good Kinyarwanda. So then let's talk about the journey we had yesterday. It was very great. So for the men who were with us yesterday, actually the journey was tough. So before I went to bed, so I mean I prepared myself to give a testimony, but when we could reach Kayonza, but the things of God are amazing. So I was scheduled to testify there. But you see, I'm appointed to give the testimony to the saints here, not there. That's why we have to clap to God, because even if you plan by yourself, He leads you with His own plans. That's why we need to separate the will of ours and the will of God. So I used to be afraid of testifying to the people because of the cameras. They used to take videos and pictures. And I feel nervous. But I remember the journey we had yesterday. We were with the Pastor Co in the car. And I was comfortable because he was the one to take picture. That means we were very happy being with our servants. The servant of God and God Himself with us. And we had a good journey together with our God. Because coming back, we saw an accident of the police and a driver of a motorbike. And we thanked God because for us we were with God and our pastor driving us. So maybe when the driver would be the other person, I could be fearful, but I was comfortable. Things went fine, and we also took journey to the Jumbo Beach. So, but I ever visited the Jumbo Beach before I received the salvation. We used to go there as Rasta and with the cape.
born again.
And I visited Jambo Beach after I became born again.
Ibi ni ibintu byo gushimira Imana cyane.
So this is very amazing.
Reka ndanize kuri iki ngiki kubampaye iminota 5 gusa.
So I will end by this thing because I was given only 5 minutes.
Iminota 5 y'Imana buriya.
But 5 minutes given by God.
Ifite repercussion y'amasaha menshi y'abanyabyaha.
So it is very enough time.
Twarangije n'ijambo riri muri Kolosayo 1:13.
So we read the verse in the first Colossians.
Batubwira ibyerekeye twari mu mwijima kera muri Jambo Beach nayibonye ndi mu mwijima kera.
So this word says that we were in the darkness.
Noneho nyisubiraho ndi Good News Mission.
And the story of mine, I visited Jambo Beach when I was still in darkness, but I went back there again after born again, belonging to Good News Mission.
And
this is amazing.